Hey everybody, this is Reid Guthrie, the home detective in Seattle, Washington. I'm up on the roof of a house built in the mid-1960s. And this cable that you see here, I'm not going to get any closer. This is the power. We call it the service drop. I don't know if you can see it coming off of the cable out there in the street. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Maybe you can see it right there. Anyhow, we got a couple of things that aren't right here. One of which is we should have a more significant clearance between the roof and the cable. And not quite sure how we're going to do that. Might be that we have to put a taller mast over there to have the cable held further above the roof. Part of the consequence of this is the cable is rubbing the roof, and that could cause the sheathing of the cable to be worn away, exposing bare wires, and that's not a good thing to happen. That's a big safety hazard. I don't know if it's the utility's responsibility in this case or the homeowner's responsibility, but we're going to get an electrician out here and tell us what our options are. My guess is, given the way that the service comes in from the splice on the cable in the front yard as opposed to coming in directly from a telephone pole, I suspect they're going to aim for a higher mast. They might even require relocating a mast to the front corner of the house and then running the power in a conduit over to the service panel. This would not be allowed by today's standards. I don't know what they're going to do as far as grandfathering any practices from 1967. But we'll leave that to the seller and the electrician to make sure that we've got a service entrance that is safe and that's not going to damage the roof. This is Reid Guthrie, the Home Detective, Seattle, Washington.